Alright, today's video is about my week 4 treatment for spring, which is a charger and root builder mix. Get your lawn on. If you're getting something from the channel, like this video and hit subscribe, it helps me grow. So I've got a whole heap of gear that I've been sent by Ego and Skill. It's a 52 centimetre Ego mower. I've also got the Skill mower. So make sure you put a comment down about what you want me to review. Got the Ego, 52 centimetre there. Really nice mower. Big 10 amp hour battery here, that's huge. See that? You can press that and see what your charge is. That's an absolute monster battery. That'll go really well on that mower. I've also got the Skill mower. So a couple of products coming in. I've got a whole heap of other Skill stuff behind here. Chainsaw, trimmer, Bluetooth speaker, check it out. So just leave a comment about which one you want me to review first. Get your lawn on. Okay, week 4, charger and root builder mix, very powerful mix, one of my favourite tank mixes. We'll rip straight into it. Chucking in half of our amount of water. 200 mils of charger per the 100 square metres, so the lower dose. 50 mils of root builder per the 100 square metres. So it's about 40 mils for me because I've got an 80 square metre area. Charger does exactly what it says on the label. It stimulates turf growth and improves colour. Those growth promoters in there are just smashing into the plant, really producing a lot of leaf growth. And considering when your Reno's in your second week or thereabouts, that's when you really need some leaf growth to cover in the area. As you can see with my area, I've got lots to do. It's been a strange week here. The weather hasn't been the greatest. It's been very cool, a fair bit of rain. So I haven't had to water for basically the whole week. Yeah, it's slowed everything up, but I do have some leaf coming through. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm a bit impatient about it, but it is what it is. And I'm just looking forward to what the next few weeks brings. Especially we've got some temperatures improving. This cold snap didn't really come at a welcome time, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, charger and root builder mix. Charger will get the leaf growth going and the root builder will assist with the root zone. Seeing as the grass is still very new and very young in parts, it's a lower application. Don't worry about that, it's a really powerful application. Check out my video that I did last year with my results, and that was just using the lowest application of charger. This lawn's got a long way to go yet, as you can probably well see, although it's mostly in the shade. It was a pretty rough reno that I did on this lawn. I had to raise it a lot. If you click on the tag, you'll find those videos of the reno that I did here. Quite aggressive, and hence why it's going to take a little bit longer than your regular Reno. Now it's very hard to see on camera, of course, but there are lots of little shoots here, and we'll absolutely love this application. Now a lot of it will go on the sand, and the question might be, what happens with that? Well, it stays in the soil, and it will still work as soil transfer, but definitely not as effective as, excuse me, I'm a bit stuck here. Definitely not as effective as a leaf application. Now there's no need to water in this application. I do love this sprayer. It's just so easy to use. So I would need to clean this sprayer after the use. You should always clean your sprayer. But yeah, look, it's coming along well. Yeah, it's a little hard to see, but there is growth there. This is one of my better spots down here. And with the warmer weather that I'm expecting next week, it should do really well. Well, I'm really glad to get that app down. The Charger and the Root Builder tank mix is absolutely going to scream for this lawn. Check out my results from last year. I'll put the link in the video in the description. Lawnporn is available Australia-wide, from large retailers right through to your local mowing shop. If you can't find it locally, you can get it online via toolroom.com.au, amazon.com.au and others. Hey, and don't forget to comment about which mower that you want me to review next, the Ego or the Skill. Get your lawn on, everybody. Have a good one.